What's up, YouTubers? This is Sergio from Unique Dioramas. On my video yesterday that I posted, I told you guys at the end of the video that I was working on a little heater, 1/18 scale, for a diorama garage display. And yesterday, all I had was the white box, and I told you guys I was going to finish it off today. Well, it's finished. Tell me what you guys think. It's got real aluminum fins. I put all this detail into it. Basically all you gotta do is just glue it up on your wall inside your diorama. Even has a little bit of a wire here to make it seem like it's a plug. You can plug it in. I got all the decals in it. Put all the decals on it and whatnot. Came out phenomenal. Looks beautiful. I left this pipe here, so whoever buys it and puts it in the diorama, they can just cut it to any length they want. You just got to snip it. Cuts up real nice and easy. It's got a lot of great detail. Again, please subscribe, like the video. Let me know what you guys think about this. Did it come out nice? Should I make some changes? Let me know. And again, like I always say, if you guys have anything in mind that you guys want me to build, even if I've never built it, I will try and I'll do it here and I'll show you how to do it and how I did it. Detail, guys. When you build something, go for detail. I mean, you can't go wrong. The more detail, the better. Even if some things don't make sense. Like for instance, this right here. This came off of a torch set. Actually, I have one here that I can show you. If you look at that round thing right here, that's where that came off of. And I used it on here. And the other parts of that torch set, what I did with it is I used it on something else. Let me show you what I used it on. Right here. This is what I used it on. For all of you that haven't seen my videos, this is where I used the rest of the torch set that was broken. I put the gauges up here and the valve over here. So if you guys have anything that that breaks, don't throw it out. Put it in a little box, because you never know when you're gonna need it for some detail. And again, it doesn't have to make sense. Like in reality, you don't see this on a resin or heater, you know. But if you add it to a diorama or a build that you're building, people won't question it, but yet it adds great detail. So don't be afraid to use stuff that doesn't make sense on there. Just like for instance, when I built this right here, believe it or not, on sandblasters you don't see this. It doesn't have any of this, but man, does it make a big difference when you build it on a little scale diorama, you know. Makes it more realistic. So that's all I have for today. I am working on the diorama that I had showed you in my first video. I believe it might be done today. So if it is, I'm going to post it tomorrow and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important to us. And like the video. And in the comments, please tell me what you think. If we're doing good, if we're doing bad, what could we change, what could we build, what can we try to build with you. Anything you guys want, don't be afraid to ask. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.